Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a kind of strange video, joke, fun type of video. It's not a serious one and it's just been kind of floating around YouTube for a few months, I guess. People have been doing this video, like letting their pets pick their makeup for them, their dogs, their cats, whatever, their brothers, their sisters, whoever, their grandma. I do have a cat as well as my hamster, but I just thought for this kind of video, my cat just doesn't care. She would, if I held two things in front of her to choose, she would probably walk away. That being said, I do however have a hamster that lives here, and you've probably seen her in the back of videos sometimes running around. So what I did was, obviously hamsters are nocturnal, so last night I filmed her while she was in her little play area, and I just held kind of 2 or 3 options from each different category of makeup in front of her, and from the clips that I will play in a second, that she just kind of chose whatever she wanted. So basically what this video is, that she's just picked whatever I've held in front of her and I've just gone with it. I've picked a few different finishes, formulas, price ranges of each category, and basically I've just let her choose, and whatever she's picked I'm just going to put on my face, whether it goes together or not. That's the point of the video. Again, it's just a light-hearted, fun video. So if you would like to see what makeup my hamster chose for me, then just give the video a thumbs up and please keep watching. Is Bella. She's my little hamster who she's usually in, okay, I'm gonna have to hold this because shush. So she's usually in the cage that's behind where I film, but at night I feel mean that she's like trapped in a cage all the time, so I have this box that she plays in at the night and in the evenings, so I thought this would probably be the best way for her to choose my makeup. So what I'm going to do is I've just picked out like 2 or 3 different prices and different types of like each category, and I'm just going to hold it in front and see what she goes to. So we're going to start off with moisturizer first. Elf Illuminating Moisturizer, and then I've got the L'Oreal Hydra Genius. So let's see which one. I'm hoping you can see her. I'll try and get to come over here. Okay. Pick one, pick one. Yep, there you go. She's chewed that one. Yep. Okay, I'm taking that as Hydra Genius. Thank you very much. For primer, I picked the Elf Illuminating Primer Spray, which is this guy. I've got the NYX Angel Veil Primer here. And then, shush! Got the Elsie Pearl Radiance Primer here, so let's see which one she chooses. Come on. Here we go, pick one. Elf? You going for Elf? What are you going for? Elf or Elsie? I'm gonna take that as Elf. She went for the middle one, so. Then I picked the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, the Dior Forever Skin Foundation, and then a stick foundation, so I picked the Revolution stick foundation. We're picking. Oh, she's gone for Dior, she's gone for Dior. She's picked Dior, so let's go for that. Concealer, we've got the Tarte Shape Tape, the Wet n Wild Concealer, and the Collection one, so pick away, my friend, pick away. Oh, she wants Shape Tape, she wants Shape Tape, so let's go for that. Powder, I picked the Nabla Loose Powder or the Rimmel Match Perfection one, so pick one, pick one, pick one. Which one do you want? Nabla? You go for Nabla. You don't want Rimmel. Yep. Final answer? Yep. She's going for Nabla. So we've got the L'Oreal Back to Bronze, the Elsie bronzer, my favourite, and then a Wet n Wild contour pan thing. Friend, pick away. You're going straight for Elsie. Or Wet n Wild, what do you want? Elsie? Ooh, then she's picking Wet n Wild. Okay, let's let her choose out of the 2. What do you want? Okay, she's full on climb. Yep, she I think she's picked Wet n Wild. Say hello. Say hello. Nope, she's picked Wet n Wild. Let's go with that. You should have picked Elsie, but okay. Blush, I've got the Ofra blush in Raisin. I have a Misslyn blush and then a Morphe like little palette trio. Come here, come pick. What do you want? Misslyn? Ofra? Misslyn. I think she's going for the Misslyn one. I picked 3 different kind of highlights. I picked a palette. This is a Lottie London one. I picked the Ofra Glow Goals highlight and then a loose highlight from Colourpop. Take your pick. Ofra? Final answer? Ofra? You going high end? Yep. Yep, she's going for Ofra, as you can tell. Yep, we're going for Ofra. Okay, cool. Jump off. Thank you. We've got a brown or a black liquid liner. Brown or black, what are you going for? That one. Okay, that's the black one. It's the Maybelline Master Precise. What are you picking? So we've got the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, the Maybelline Sensational, and then the Volume Hero by Essence. There we go, pick one. You've got 3 to choose from. What do you want? Okay, she's chewing the Essence one, so we're gonna go with that one. It's got setting spray and then eyeshadow, so for the sprays we've got the Kiko one, which I hate, the Cover FX Illuminating, and a e.l.f. mist as well. Is that a... Yep, that's e.l.f. For the eyeshadow palettes, I picked a Colourpop All I See Is Magic palette, the Warm Up palette from Makeup Obsessions, and then I've got the Jaclyn Hill palette as well, so, excuse me, pick a palette. What are we going for? Jaclyn? Is that to Jaclyn? Or are you going up to that one? I think she's going for Jaclyn. She's not even interested in Colourpop. She wants Morphe, so that will be the Jaclyn Hill palette that we use. She's gonna say bye now. She's gonna go off to play. Say bye-bye. So last night I just realised that I forgot to film Bella choosing a lip pencil and also a lipstick, so I'm just gonna do that now. So I've got 3 different ones here and I'm just gonna let her choose. So pick a... oh wait, hold on. What colour do you want? I have purple, red and a nude, so pick one. Oh, she's gone for the red. Okay, I'm gonna take that Morphe one that she chose. Satin, I think, and then a matte, and they're all different colours, so choose away. What do you want? Okay, she's going for the middle one. So she chose the middle one, which is a nude gloss and a red lip liner. Great, you have great excuse me. You have great taste, my friend. Well done. Red lip liner, nude lip. Thank you very much. Okay, so you've probably seen that I had to add in a clip afterwards of her, which I've just filmed now. Luckily, she came out because I remembered that I didn't pick lips last night. I don't know how. That's why I forgot. So luckily she woke up and she like came down to get some food or something, so I just quickly let her choose the lip products then. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. With moisturizer, so Bella is her name, by the way, my little hamster. She chose the L'Oreal Hydra Genius moisturizer, which, you know what? I completely forgot that I had this. Seriously forgot that I had it, and I should probably use it more because I've been so stuck and like used to using my Neutrogena, the Hydra Boost, that I just don't use any other of my moisturizers, and I probably should because then they're gonna expire. Next is primer. So I held, as you saw, I held 3 different types of primers in front of her, and obviously she chose the aerosol. She chose the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. So I don't know if you can see, but my skin's gone a little bit illuminated from that primer. I do actually quite like this because it goes very tacky after you've sprayed it, so yeah, I do actually quite like this. I don't use it enough either, so again, thank you Bella for reintroducing me to that. So she decided to pick the most bougie foundation that I held up in front of her, so she picked one of my oldie favourites, which is the Dior Forever Skin. So we're just gonna go in with this. I've added it onto a little dish. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of the LA Girl Lightening Foundation. It's just the white foundation. I'm gonna add like half a pump in there, just because, yeah, I got this like when I was quite tanned, so this probably isn't gonna suit my skin tone right now. think since I got my NARS Radiant Longwear, and that's literally become my favourite foundation ever, and I've really been loving the Too Faced Matte Peach one. I've kind of stuck with them and I don't use that many other foundations now, so. Concealer, again, she had a bougie taste for concealer. She chose the Tarte Shape Tape, which I have no issue with because it's still my favourite concealer in the entire world. For setting powder, I'm going to go in with the Nabla Loose Powder. I'll move on to the eyes and then finish the rest of the face off after. I'm just feeling I want to do something with the eyes for this because Bella decided to go for the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this in a few months. So big, and I don't have a lot of space in front of me when I get ready that I just don't use it that much, but here we are today. I just want to use this green down here. I don't know, it's the first shade that I was drawn to. Apart from the warm tones, I'm going to stay away from the warm tones. But yeah, I just feel like I want to use the green today. So I'm going to go in with is this one right here. The shade names. And I think I'm going to mix it in with the one next to it actually. Just because why not? Also, I cleaned my brushes after I did that blue eye look. Look at that. It's stained blue. Warm up the crease a little bit more. So I'm going to... Birds! Shush! Warm up the crease a little bit more. So I'm going to go in this shade right here. This is one of my favourite transition colours from this palette. I love it. The transition into the green, so I'm going to go in with this shade here. This reminds me of Tiki Hut by Makeup Geek. It's like a pukey brown shade. I love these browns. I really do love the pukey brown vibe. I'm going to really concentrate this right in the crease line. Outer corner, I think I'm going to take this shade on the end here. It's quite a dark chocolate brown. This in the outer corner and kind of wing it out a little bit. Then I'm just going to use some concealer to carve out the lid with the green, like I said. I might apply it with my finger first and then just clean it up. Ooh, that looks really nice. And then just clean it up with a brush. So I'm just going to pat it first. Gonna go off camera, finish this eye, and then probably do the lower lash line, and then I'll be back to do some eyeliner and stuff. Bella then chose to use the black Maybelline Master Precise as our liner for the top lash line. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing because I feel like it's drying a little bit. By the Essence Volume Hero Mascara, obviously in black. So Bella chose the Wet n Wild Contour Palette. This is the Caramel Toffee shade. Also, Wet n Wild are finally available in the UK. Beauty Bay, so if anyone's in the UK, you can now get Wet n Wild on the Beauty Bay website, which I was so happy about. I placed an order straight away. I'm going in with the Misslyn blush in Love You Peach and Every Day, which is this shimmery peachy kind of blush. I personally wouldn't use this toned blush with this eye look. I probably would have gone for something a bit more nude, but Bella obviously doesn't care. And highlight, she had a good taste for highlight. She chose Ofra Glow Goals, so that's what I'm gonna go in with. With the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, that's what she chose. Gets on to the interesting part, because for lips, the combination that she chose was Morphe lip liner in the shade Mina, which is red, and a nude gloss, which is the Revolution My Sign lip gloss, and it's in the shade Cancer, which is my sign. Yeah, so we're gonna try a red lip liner with the nude lip. Thanks, Bella, thank you. Going with the Cancer gloss. You know what, it's kind of changed the red lip liner to kind of like a pink, and it kind of just looks like an ombre lip, to be fair. Hey guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said in the intro, it was just a bit of fun. Obviously, this lip combo, don't try it at home because I'm not feeling it. It just looks clownish. Enjoyed today's little fun video. If you did, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also make sure that you're subscribed as well, and I will see you guys in my next normal video. Bye. Lid off. Okay, come here. Choose. Over here. Bella, come here. Here. Bella, come on. Nope, you're just gonna keep... Nope, you coming? Come on.